Hello everyone, welcome back to English Everyday Podcast.
Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you're having an amazing day.
Today we're going to help you improve your English naturally, especially your vocabulary, listening skills, and speaking confidence.
Yes, and don't worry if your English is not perfect yet. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Exactly. So relax, listen carefully, and maybe repeat some sentences after us.
All right, let's start.
Mama, many students say I understand English, but I'm scared to speak. Why does that happen?
That's actually very common. Many people are afraid of making mistakes.
Yeah, I used to feel that too.
Really?
Of course. When I started learning English, I always translated everything in my head first.
Oh yes, that makes speaking slower.
Exactly, and sometimes I forgot vocabulary because I was too nervous.
I think confidence grows from practice, not from waiting until you become perfect.
That's true. Many learners think, I will speak English when my grammar becomes perfect.
But honestly, native speakers also make mistakes sometimes.
Right. The important thing is, can people understand you?
Exactly.
Okay, Emma, let's teach some useful daily vocabulary.
Good idea. Let's use simple words that people can use every day. The first word is actually.
Meaning, sebenarnya.
Example, actually, I'm very nervous right now.
Nice. Next word, pretty.
Not only for appearance. Pretty can mean quite or lumayan.
Example, my English is pretty good now.
Next phrase, I'm into.
That means kamu suka sesuatu.
Example, I'm into music and movies.
Or, I'm really into learning English. Next expression, no worries.
Meaning, tidak masalah.
Example, sorry I'm late. No worries.
And the last one, to be honest.
Meaning, jujur saja.
Example, to be honest. Speaking English is difficult sometimes.
But practice makes it easier. Okay, Emma, let's do a natural English conversation.
Let's imagine we meet at a coffee shop.
Hey, Emma, long time no see.
Ryan, wow, how have you been?
Pretty busy lately, honestly.
Same here. What have you been doing?
I've been practicing English every day.
Really? How?
Mostly podcasts, YouTube videos, and speaking to myself.
Speaking to yourself actually helps a lot.
Yeah, sometimes I describe what I'm doing in English.
Like what?
Like, I'm making coffee, I'm going to school, I'm feeling tired today.
That's a smart habit.
What about you? How do you improve your English?
I listen to English while doing daily activities.
Oh, passive listening.
Exactly. Even if I don't understand. Every word, my ears become familiar with English sounds.
That's very important for listening skills.
Ryan, what's your best tip for sounding natural in English?
I think learners should stop translating every sentence from their native language.
True, learn phrases, not only words.
Exactly. For example, instead of learning only the word hungry, learn the phrase,
I'm starving.
Or instead of saying, I am very tired.
You can say, I'm exhausted.
That sounds more natural.
Also, don't be afraid of accents.
Yes, you don't need a perfect American or British accent.
Clear communication is more important.
Many students lose confidence because they compare themselves to others.
That's dangerous.
Everyone learns at different speeds.
Exactly. Some people improve fast in grammar. Others improve faster in speaking.
The important thing is consistency.
Even 15 minutes every day can improve your English.
Small progress is still progress.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I can improve my English.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Practice makes me better.
I will speak English confidently.
And that's the end of today's podcast.
We hope this episode helps you become more confident in English.
Remember, don't just study English. Use it every day.
Listen more, speak more, and enjoy the process.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode of English Everyday Podcast.
Bye, everyone.